Hello dear users, we'll continue with our tutorial with selecting our second EURUSD strategy. In the previous episode we started two generators in EURUSD 15 minutes market, and these generators completed their work. So we have collected strategies, and we choose another one strategy for the real trade. But before that, I will start another copy of Forex Strategy Builder Professional, and we'll run 3 generators there for the other 3 symbols. So during our work here, the other generator will generate strategies for the other symbols. I will run another copy of Forex Strategy Builder. There is no problem of running several copies. Even it's better because when the generator is running, it makes the user interface slower. And I will leave these generators working in background mode until I work with our strategies in the other copy. So let's start 3 strategies. Okay, this will be in Great Britain USD. This will be on USD Swiss franc. Okay, we have 3. Let's load the market. The data are loaded. I saw here a warning message. Data check for USD Swiss franc, 15 minutes. See data statistics page in History Center. Let's see what we have. What's the problem? We're going to History Center. Big gap on January 15 this year, 11:13. Big gap on USD Swiss franc, January 15. Let's see what is that on the chart. On this USDJPY. Okay, Swiss franc. Where is that gap? January 15. We are looking the date here. Where is the gap? This zone. January 15. I think everything is normal. No big problem here. Okay, so let's start these generators. I think the settings are okay in strategy properties. Okay, and what I have in the generator: may use, do not use. This is what we said in the previous episode. It's okay, and the working time is 60 minutes. No, I don't want that. Use default numeric values. Okay, Great Britain pound USD. But I have to set here the correction. Active Great Britain pound USD M15, and I run that. Let's check what we have. Number of parallel threads 2. It's okay. I start 3 generators. This will be USD Swiss franc. Settings. Use default numeric values. It's okay. Okay. Active. What is this? USD Swiss franc. CHF M15. Start. And the third one, USDJPY. Generator. Everything's okay. active USDJPY. Okay, M15. I'm setting a different collection for each market, because when the generator working, I have now 3 copies. Each generator will save in its collection, and after that in the collection page here in the repository, I will see this 3 collection here, and I'll be able to save the collections. It's something that I have to do. No, the computer is overloaded. Okay, let's see the repository, and I have here active EURUSD M15 collection. I will save that collection. Okay, the collection is saved, and if I open the strategy folder, this is the user files, strategies. I see that collection. The collection contains 100 strategies. This is the maximum. And when the other collections are ready, these 3 collections, I will save also the collections to the to files, so I will be able to work with that collection later. I'll keep these generators working, and let's see what we have here. What we have generator for EURUSD. That strategy is working very well. Let's see what we have. Heikenashe interlocked the HA wall. Video moving average, RSI moving average oscillator, previous high wall. That's interesting. What is this? Bar opening, Donchen channel. We have here adding. Okay, let's see more. These are the top 10 strategies. They are sorted by quality number. Now I sorted them by net balance. I can set here some criteria. How much is the quality number here? System quality number 4. Let's make it 3. So I have here the top 10 strategies that have a quality number greater than 3. Okay, and minimum share per ratio. This strategy has a low share per ratio. I will not use that criteria. So this is the top 1 strategy. I'll open a new tab by double click. Okay. I'll close that. I use the collection, and I'll close that also. Control panel I don't need. Okay, start page. So I work only with the repository, and I open new strategies from the repository. I have here 1 strategy, and here I have another with a good balance line. Double click. Okay, what I have more? That strategy is not very good because we have here some drawdown. Open it, Heikenashe also, price oscillator, day closing, and this is not good. We have very big drawdown, but actually we have only 2 indicators. Okay, what we have here, Bollinger Bands and round number. We have stop loss and take profit, adding and reducing. What is that one? Rose hook, day closing with price oscillator. We don't have stop loss, but we have take profit. Okay, let's see also that one. We start with the first. The first thing I do, there is no ambiguous bars, but anyway, I go to the comparator and to run the comparator, but first I will reduce here the random cycles to 5 because I don't have ambiguous bars and I don't expect any problems. Okay, so we see that all backtesting methods shows the same result. That's because there are no ambiguous bars. Let's go to the multi-market. I don't need multi-market, Monte Carlo. And let's check for randomizing history data and okay, only randomized history data, how the strategy will behave. Actually, it's very good. There is no problems when the data are not exactly what we have in our backtest. That's okay. Let's see how the spread affects the strategy. Also the data. No problem. But what settings I have for the spread? From 8 to, let's increase this to 12 to 20. From 10 to 20. Okay. Start. Also no problem. We see that the strategy is not affected by noise in the market. It is okay. So the next I check randomly skip position entries and randomly skip exits. Also no problem. That actually looks very well. Randomly close positions. I don't expect this to work well. But anyway, let's see. Yeah, that's because the strategy works on 15 minutes market, and it needs some time to develop the profit. So I'll switch this all without randomly close the position. This is actually it's not too real. Why the broker will decide to close my position? It's very rare. Okay, it's working very well. Let's try what will happen if you randomize the indicator parameters. I'll switch this off. Randomize indicator parameters. This is test for over optimization. And what I see, excellent results. The strategy looks very well. Okay, let's return to the editor. What we have here? Let's see the strategy properties. We have adding. What will happen if I remove the adding? Do I need this adding? When I add to the strategy, it makes 9,500 euro. If I remove that and set here 4, it's the same. This case not very good. Let's return back. Adding. It's a little bit better. Okay, let's keep it like that. I don't have a stop loss and take profit, but I open it bar opening, it is okay. And where I exit at a Donchian channel with period 8 and shift. I have shift here. What if I remove the shift? Donchian channel actually represents the maximum and minimum for a period of time. So it takes 8 bars. It makes takes the maximum and minimum during that 8 bars and shifts them 180 bars ahead. What will happen if I make 150? It's good. If I make 250, No, it's not possible. The maximum is 200. Also, I have profit. Actually, this is not something that looks over optimized. High and low. It doesn't look very well to me. What will I select? Day closing? No. Okay. Let's try to set some stop loss and take profit to see what will happen. Stop loss 100 pips. Excellent. So I can have a stop loss for protection. I see here some drawdown, but take profit. Let's put 50 pips. 60. Let's do the following. I'll return that to 1000 and I'll go to the optimizer and I'll optimize stop loss and take profit. Let's be from 200 to, and here also 200, up to 150 pips. I set here everything in points. And I set here the steps 10 pips. That means the optimizer will check stop loss from 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 150 pips, and it will also check the take profit. Let's test it. Let's see what will happen. Is it possible to find a better strategy or not? It said here 110 pips. How much is the wallet of my computer? I'll see here. Now I press the Control Shift and Escape to see the task manager, and I'll see the computer wallet. The computer is overloaded, and I'm recording now. Never mind, this is a laptop with i7 processor. The generator chooses the maximum allowed stop loss and take profit. Let's see what I have here. Performance, CPU. Can I see more details? This must have 8 processors and how they are loaded. So the other 3 generators are working in backgrounds. Each generator uses 2 threads, and I see the computer is loaded, and that's very good, because that's the reason I bought this computer with i7 processor. Okay, let's work. What to do with that stop loss and take profit? 150 pips, 150. Let's return to the editor. I see here excellent line, and also I have stop loss and take profit. I have 18 euro per day for 0.1 watt entry and adding. How that looks on the chart? Here adding. Okay, I think that strategy looks very well. What can I do more? Accumulation distribution, relative figure index. What I have, RVI line crosses the signal line upward. Where is the signal line? I see here only period. Okay, maybe the indicator has a signal line. This is the indicator, what I see, I see here RVI line and signal line, and when the indicator crosses the signal line, it gives a buy or sell signal. It's okay. What is the parameters? 28. Let's check for over optimization. I will change the parameters. Let's put 21. Also, I have profit. Let's put 35. It's okay. What was the original? 28. Excellent. And the accumulation distribution. Accumulation distribution rises. I don't have any parameters here. It's very good actually, because if the indicator doesn't have parameters, that means most probably it is not over optimized. Accumulation distribution. So I think this strategy is ready to be traded on a real account, and I save that strategy. I save as where's my first strategy? File, user files folder, strategies. The strategies is on my desktop. Let's find it. Where I save it? Here. EURUSD M15 first, and let's copy that name. Okay, I'll save that one as EURUSD M15 second. So these are the two strategies I'm going to use on trading. Today is Saturday, and I'll start trading on Monday. I want to use 8 strategies to make a portfolio. But now I'll make an experiment. Let's see what I have more. This is another strategy, and this strategy also works very well. We have here adding, Heiken-Ashi, previous high low, vertical shift. I don't like that. Bar closing. If I said day closing or something, what will happen? Day closing. Oh, it's very good. If I said week closing, no, but it works for day closing. I'll leave the strategy like that. What I have here, day closing with price oscillator. If I remove that, no, doesn't work. Open a cross hook. Cross hook is something like fractal. Oscillator is filter. I don't like that very much. Actually, I saved the correction, and yes, okay, I'll save again to be sure. So if I need another strategy, I'll just open the collection, and I can continue working. So I will unload these collections, and this strategy is ready, but that is working very well. I'll save this also. I'll save it under name spare. Active EURUSD M15 spare. Okay. I will see what to do that. If the strategies fail, I can use that one. Okay, so we're ready with our EURUSD strategies, and I'll close that instance as for strategy builder. Let's see what we have here. We have this generators running. Oh, this is not very good. Okay, and repository. So now I will finish this episode and I will leave these generators working, and in next episode I will select strategies for these three markets: USDJPY, Great Britain Pound USD, and USD Swiss franc. I hope to find also two strategies here today, on Saturday and tomorrow. So on the Monday morning, I want to start trading. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our series if you want to receive notification for the next episodes. Bye bye.